Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, low miles, and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, stability control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.